Let's go. If you see a power line laying on the ground,
or it's hanging or drooping or swinging around,
Keep away from all those power lines. Gotta keep away.
don't touch, not even a finger.
Keep away.
call 911 when the lines are down.
Keep away from all those power lines.
Gotta get the news today, so I can go out and play. I heard on the radio that it would rain. Now we can't go play in the park. My friends really wanted to visit the beach. Oh no, TV shows and polka dot shark. Gotta get the news today. TV, paper, or the mobile way. Gotta get the news today, so I can go out and play.
Mom's phone says we can't go hike the trail 'cause it's a 300-pound raccoon.
Dad's paper says Willie's scooping free ice cream, but it doesn't open up till noon. Gotta get the news today, so I can go out and play. I read Principal Jones' pet snake escaped, and they closed the school playground too.
But the internet says we can go to the zoo and see that new pink kangaroo.
Gotta get the news today. TV, paper, or the mobile way. Gotta get the news today, so I can go out and play.
Funding for NatureCat is provided by the Van Akron family, founders of Lando Frost, supporting over 12,000 youth sports teams across the country. And by the Hamill Family Foundation, the Siegel Family Foundation, Irving Harris Foundation, the Arthur Vining Davis Foundations, Polk Brothers Foundation, Elizabeth Morse Genius Charitable Trust, Alvin H. Baum Family Fund, and by the following: the Corporation for Public Broadcasting, and by contributions from viewers like you. Thanks